Every month, the open source world moves at incredible speed. New ideas emerge, groundbreaking tools appear, and entire communities rally around projects that push technology forward. In this episode, we dive into the most influential and fast-rising repositories dominating GitHub's monthly trending list. These aren't just popular projects. They're shaping the future of development, AI, security, and digital creativity. From intelligent coding companions that remember your workflow, to fully open voice AI stacks, to tools that turn natural language into diagrams, this month's lineup highlights the ingenuity of developers across the global. We'll explore frameworks that redefine how we build interfaces, platforms that transform the browser into a complete operating system, and lightweight models that make AI training accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned engineer, a curious learner, or someone searching for the next big project to contribute to, this roundup captures the pulse of innovation happening right now. So sit back, turn up the volume, and get ready to discover the standout repositories that are inspiring millions of developers and reshaping the open source landscape. This is your GitHub Trending Monthly. Let's jump in. Claude Mem is an ambitious attempt to redefine how developers interact with AI during real coding sessions. Instead of treating an AI assistant as a stateless tool, this plugin builds a persistent memory layer around Claude Code. Every action you take, commands, edits, refactors, debugging steps, is automatically captured, compressed, and distilled using Anthropic's Agents.js. The result is a lightweight but surprisingly powerful contextual engine that feeds relevant past information back into future prompts. This dramatically reduces repetitive explanations and allows the AI to maintain continuity across long development cycles. The project is written in TypeScript and has gained rapid traction thanks to its practical value. It feels like pairing with an assistant that actually remembers your workflow. For developers juggling multiple branches, experiments, or refactors, Claude Mem becomes a silent partner that tracks the evolution of your codebase and surfaces insights at the right moment. Its design philosophy is minimalistic, transparent, and developer-centric, making it easy to integrate into existing setups without friction. As AI-augmented development becomes the norm, this repository stands out as one of the first serious attempts to bring long-term memory into everyday coding. VibeVoice positions itself as a frontier-level open-source voice AI stack, engineered to make high-quality speech interaction accessible without proprietary lock-in. Built in Python, it combines speech recognition, speech synthesis, and agent-style orchestration into a cohesive framework that developers can extend or self-host. What makes VibeVoice compelling is its focus on modularity. Each component, audio I/O, model inference, streaming pipelines, can be swapped, optimized, or scaled independently. This makes it suitable for everything from embedded devices to cloud-native voice agents. The project has surged in popularity because it bridges a gap in the ecosystem, a transparent, fully open alternative to commercial voice platforms. Its architecture encourages experimentation, enabling developers to prototype conversational agents, voice-controlled tools, or multimodal assistants with minimal friction. With thousands of stars gained this month, VibeVoice is quickly becoming a reference point for anyone building next-generation voice interfaces. Next, I draw I/O blends, diagramming with natural language AI assistants, turning the traditionally manual process of creating flowcharts, system maps, and architecture diagrams into a conversational experience. Built on Next.js and integrated with Draw.io, the application allows users to describe a diagram in plain English and watch it. Beyond generation, the AI can modify existing diagrams, reorganize layouts, or enhance clarity based on user intent. This makes it a powerful tool for engineers, product designers, educators, and anyone who needs to visualize complex ideas quickly. The interface remains familiar to Draw.io users, but the AI layer adds a level of speed and fluidity that dramatically reduces friction. Whether you're drafting a system architecture, mapping a workflow, or iterating on design concepts, this project demonstrates how AI can elevate diagramming from a tedious task to a dynamic creative process. React remains one of the most influential libraries in modern web development, and its continued presence in the monthly trending list shows just how central it is to the global JavaScript ecosystem. Designed for building interactive user interfaces, React encourages developers to think in components, small, reusable pieces of UI that can be composed into complex applications. Its declarative model makes it easier to reason about state changes, while features like hooks, concurrent rendering, and server components push the boundaries of what front-end frameworks can do. React's popularity is not just about its technical strengths, it's also about the massive ecosystem surrounding it. From Next.js to React Native, countless tools and frameworks build on top of React's core principles, enabling everything from mobile apps to full-stack server-rendered experiences. The library's ongoing evolution, driven by Meta and a huge open-source community, ensures that it stays relevant even as the web platform itself changes. Whether you're building a small widget or a large-scale application, React provides a stable, well-documented foundation that continues to shape how developers think about UI architecture. Next.js has become the de facto standard for building production-grade React applications, and its presence in the trending list reflects its rapid adoption across startups and enterprises alike. What sets Next.js apart is its hybrid rendering model. Developers can choose between static generation, server-side rendering, edge rendering, or client-side hydration depending on the needs of each page. This flexibility allows teams to optimize performance without sacrificing developer experience. The framework also includes powerful features such as file-based routing, API routes, built-in image optimization, and seamless integration with Vercel's deployment platform. Recent versions have pushed even further with the app router, React server components, and enhanced data fetching patterns that simplify complex workflows. Next.js is not just a framework. It's an opinionated ecosystem that encourages best practices while still giving developers room to innovate. Its documentation, community support, and production-ready defaults make it a top choice for teams building scalable, SEO-friendly, and high-performance web applications. SillyTavern has surged in popularity as a powerful front-end interface for interacting with large language models. Unlike traditional chat UIs, SillyTavern is designed for power users who want deep customization, local hosting, and integration with a wide range of backends, from open-source models to commercial APIs. The project emphasizes flexibility. Users can tailor the interface, memory behavior, character presets, and conversation flows to suit highly specific use cases, including role-play, creative writing, and agent-style interactions. Its modular plugin system allows for extensions such as vector memory, text-to-speech, image generation, and more, turning the interface into a full-featured creative environment. SillyTavern's appeal lies in its balance between accessibility and control. Beginners can use it out of the box, while advanced users can fine-tune nearly every aspect of the experience. As interest in local and hybrid AI setups grows, SillyTavern stands out as one of the most adaptable and community-driven tools for managing conversational AI workflows. GitHub Readme Stats has become one of the most widely used tools for developers who want to personalize their GitHub profiles with dynamic, visually appealing statistics. The project generates real-time cards that display metrics such as total contributions, top languages, streaks, and repository activity, all rendered as lightweight SVGs that can be embedded directly into a README. What makes this repository so popular is its combination of simplicity and customization. Users can choose from multiple themes, color palettes, layouts, and data filters, allowing them to craft a profile that reflects their identity and coding style. The tool fetches live data from the GitHub API, ensuring that the displayed information stays accurate without requiring manual updates. Its caching system reduces API load while keeping performance high, making it suitable even for heavily trafficked profiles. Beyond personal use, GitHub Readme Stats has become a staple in developer portfolios, open-source communities, and educational projects, helping contributors showcase their work in a clean, professional format. With thousands of stars gained this month, the project continues to grow as developers look for ways to stand out in an increasingly crowded ecosystem. FontAwesome remains one of the most iconic and widely adopted icon toolkits in the web development world. It provides a massive collection of scalable vector icons that can be styled, animated, and integrated into virtually any front-end stack. Developers rely on FontAwesome because it offers consistency, accessibility, and ease of use. A single line of HTML or a simple CSS class can bring an icon to life. Over the years, the project has expanded far beyond its original library, introducing multiple icon styles: solid, regular, brands, duotone, a powerful SVG framework, and tooling that integrates seamlessly with React, Vue, and other modern frameworks. Its open-source core ensures broad community adoption, while its pro offering adds depth for teams that need more specialized assets. The project's continued presence in the trending list highlights its enduring relevance, especially as developers seek reliable, well-maintained UI resources. Whether you're building dashboards, landing pages, mobile apps, or design systems, FontAwesome remains a foundational building block for clean, expressive interfaces. Puta is an ambitious open-source project that reimagines the concept of a cloud computer. Instead of offering isolated apps or storage, Puta provides a full virtual operating system accessible directly from the browser. Users can interact with files, install apps, run processes, and manage their environment as if they were using a desktop OS, but entirely online and self-hostable. This approach makes Puter appealing to developers, educators, and privacy-conscious users who want a flexible, portable workspace without relying on proprietary cloud platforms. The system is built with performance and extensibility in mind, offering APIs that allow developers to build custom apps or integrate external services. Its rapid rise in the trending charts reflects a growing interest in decentralized, user-controlled computing environments. As more workflows move to the browser, Puter stands out as a bold experiment in what a fully open web-native operating system can look like. Agent Lightning is Microsoft's fast-moving framework designed to simplify the creation, training, and orchestration of AI agents. Its rise in the trending charts reflects a growing demand for tools that help developers move beyond simple prompt-response interactions and toward autonomous multi-step agent workflows. The project focuses on modularity. Developers can plug in different models, memory systems, tools, and execution strategies without rewriting core logic. This makes it suitable for research, prototyping, and production-grade agent deployments. One of its strengths is the emphasis on training. Agent Lightning includes utilities for fine-tuning behaviors, evaluating agent performance, and iterating quickly on task-specific capabilities. The framework also encourages transparency by exposing internal reasoning traces and decision paths, which is essential for debugging complex agent behavior. As AI agents become more capable and more widely adopted, Agent Lightning positions itself as a practical, open-source foundation for building reliable, inspectable, and extensible agent systems. Its rapid growth this month shows that developers are eager for tools that balance power with clarity. Strix has exploded in popularity thanks to its bold mission, providing open-source AI agents tailored specifically for penetration testing and security automation. In a field traditionally dominated by manual workflows and proprietary tools, Strix offers a transparent, extensible alternative that can analyze systems, generate attack paths, and automate reconnaissance tasks. The project is built in Python and designed with modularity in mind, allowing security researchers to integrate custom tools, models, and scanning strategies. What makes Strix stand out is its focus on real-world applicability. It doesn't just simulate attacks, it helps automate the tedious parts of security assessments while still requiring human oversight for critical decisions. This balance between automation and control has resonated strongly with the cybersecurity community. As organizations face increasingly complex threat landscapes, Strix demonstrates how AI can augment human expertise without replacing it. Its rapid rise in the trending list highlights a growing interest in open, auditable AI-driven security tooling. Minimind is an educational yet surprisingly powerful project that shows how a small GPT-style model can be trained from scratch in just a couple of hours. The repository walks developers through the full process of building a 2.6 million parameter transformer, from data preparation to training loops to evaluation, using clean, readable Python code. Its popularity stems from its accessibility. While large-scale LLM training is often opaque and resource-intensive, Minimind demonstrates that the core ideas can be understood and reproduced on modest hardware. This makes it an excellent learning tool for students, researchers, and engineers who want to understand the mechanics of modern language models without diving into massive codebases. The project also encourages experimentation. Developers can tweak architectures, datasets, and training parameters to see how each change affects model behavior. Minimind's presence in the trending list reflects a broader movement toward demystifying AI and empowering individuals to build and study models at a scale that is both practical and educational. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay updated with the latest GitHub trends and tech discoveries, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And for extra resources, tools, and links, make sure to visit the website listed in the description below.